Welcome to our exploration of how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing fraud detection. In today's digital world, fraudsters are becoming increasingly sophisticated, making it essential for organizations to stay one step ahead. AI offers powerful tools to identify and prevent fraudulent activities across various industries, from banking to e-commerce. In this video, we'll break down the key ways AI is used to detect fraud, the technologies behind it, and why it's so effective. Let's start by understanding what fraud detection means and why traditional methods are no longer enough. Fraud detection refers to the process of identifying suspicious or unauthorized activities that could indicate fraud. This includes things like stolen credit card use, identity theft, or fake insurance claims. Traditionally, companies relied on manual reviews and simple rule-based systems to catch fraud. However, as fraudsters adapt and find new ways to bypass these systems, organizations need smarter, faster, and more adaptive solutions. That's where AI comes in, offering the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and spot patterns that humans might miss. Traditional fraud detection methods often rely on static rules, such as flagging transactions over a certain amount or from unusual locations. While these rules can catch some fraudulent activities, they're not flexible enough to handle new and evolving tactics. Manual reviews are time-consuming and prone to human error, making it difficult to keep up with the sheer volume of transactions in today's digital economy. As a result, many fraudulent activities slip through the cracks, costing businesses billions each year. Artificial intelligence brings a new level of sophistication to fraud detection. By leveraging machine learning and advanced analytics, AI systems can analyze massive datasets in real time, learning to recognize subtle patterns and anomalies that may indicate fraud. Unlike traditional methods, AI can adapt to new fraud tactics as they emerge, making it a dynamic and proactive defense. This adaptability is crucial in today's fast-paced digital landscape, where fraudsters are constantly changing their strategies. Machine learning, a core component of AI, enables computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. In fraud detection, machine learning models are trained on historical transaction data, learning what normal and abnormal behaviors look like. Over time, these models become better at spotting unusual patterns that could signal fraud. The more data they process, the more accurate they become, continuously improving their ability to detect new types of fraud. Several types of AI models are commonly used in fraud detection. Supervised learning models are trained on labeled data, where examples of both fraudulent and legitimate transactions are provided. Unsupervised learning models, on the other hand, look for anomalies in data without prior labeling. There are also hybrid models that combine both approaches for even greater accuracy. Each model type has its strengths and is chosen based on the specific needs of the organization. AI-powered fraud detection systems rely on a wide range of data sources. These include transaction histories, user behavior patterns, device information, location data, and even social media activity. By aggregating and analyzing data from multiple sources, AI models can build a comprehensive profile of normal behavior for each user, making it easier to spot deviations that may indicate fraud. One of the biggest advantages of AI in fraud detection is real-time transaction monitoring. AI systems can analyze thousands of transactions per second, instantly flagging suspicious activity for further review. This rapid response is critical for preventing losses, as it allows organizations to block or investigate potentially fraudulent transactions before any damage is done. AI excels at pattern recognition, which is essential for detecting fraud. By analyzing historical data, AI models learn what typical transactions look like and can quickly identify outliers. For example, if a user who usually shops locally suddenly makes a large purchase overseas, the system can flag this as suspicious. Pattern recognition helps catch both known and emerging types of fraud. Anomaly detection is a key technique in AI-based fraud detection. It involves identifying data points that deviate significantly from the norm. These anomalies could be signs of fraudulent activity, such as an unusually high transaction amount or a login from an unfamiliar device. AI models can automatically flag these anomalies for further investigation, reducing the risk of fraud going undetected. Behavioral analytics is another powerful tool in AI-driven fraud detection. By monitoring how users typically interact with systems, such as typing speed, mouse movements, or navigation patterns, AI can establish a behavioral baseline. Any significant deviation from this baseline, like a sudden change in login habits, can trigger an alert. This approach helps catch sophisticated fraud attempts that might otherwise go unnoticed. Natural language processing, or NLP, is used to analyze text-based data such as emails, chat logs, and transaction descriptions. AI can scan for suspicious language patterns, phishing attempts, or fake documents. By understanding the context and intent behind text, NLP helps organizations detect fraud in communication channels and documentation, adding another layer of protection. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks to analyze complex data patterns. In fraud detection, deep learning models can process vast amounts of unstructured data, such as images or voice recordings, to uncover hidden signs of fraud. These models are particularly effective at detecting sophisticated fraud schemes that traditional algorithms might miss. Let's look at how AI is used in the banking sector. Banks process millions of transactions daily, making manual fraud detection impossible. AI systems monitor transactions in real time, flagging suspicious activities such as rapid transfers, unusual withdrawals, or multiple failed login attempts. By automating these checks, banks can protect customer accounts and reduce financial losses. E-commerce platforms face constant threats from fraudulent orders, fake accounts, and payment scams. AI helps by analyzing purchase patterns, user reviews, and payment histories to spot inconsistencies. For example, if a new account places a large order with a stolen credit card, the system can flag and block the transaction before it's processed, protecting both the business and its customers. Insurance companies use AI to detect fraudulent claims by analyzing claim histories, customer profiles, and even social media activity. AI can spot patterns such as repeated claims for similar incidents or inconsistencies between reported events and available data. This helps insurers identify suspicious claims quickly and accurately, reducing payouts for fraudulent activities. Telecommunications companies use AI to detect fraud such as SIM card cloning, fake accounts, and unauthorized access. By monitoring call patterns, data usage, and device information, AI systems can quickly identify unusual activities. This proactive approach helps telecom providers protect their networks and customers from a wide range of fraud schemes. Credit card fraud is a major concern for both consumers and financial institutions. AI-powered systems analyze spending patterns, transaction locations, and device fingerprints to detect suspicious activity. If a transaction doesn't fit a user's typical behavior, the system can automatically block it or request additional verification, reducing the risk of unauthorized charges. AI helps detect identity theft by monitoring for unusual account activities, such as changes in personal information or access from unfamiliar devices. By comparing current behavior to established patterns, AI can quickly flag potential identity theft and alert users or administrators, helping to prevent further damage. Account takeover occurs when a fraudster gains unauthorized access to a user's account. AI systems monitor login attempts, device fingerprints, and behavioral patterns to detect and block suspicious access. This helps organizations prevent unauthorized transactions and protect sensitive information from being compromised. Social engineering attacks, such as phishing and pretexting, trick users into revealing sensitive information. AI can analyze communication patterns, detect suspicious requests, and flag potential scams. By scanning emails, messages, and calls, AI helps organizations defend against these manipulative tactics and protect user data. Payment fraud can take many forms, from unauthorized transactions to fake refunds. AI systems monitor payment flows, analyze transaction histories, and flag inconsistencies. By learning what legitimate payments look like, AI can quickly spot and block fraudulent ones, ensuring the integrity of financial transactions. Anti-money laundering is a critical area where AI shines. By analyzing transaction networks and customer profiles, AI can identify suspicious patterns that may indicate money laundering. These systems can flag complex schemes involving multiple accounts and rapid transfers, helping financial institutions comply with regulations and prevent illegal activities. One challenge in fraud detection is minimizing false positives, legitimate transactions that are incorrectly flagged as fraud. AI helps by refining its models over time, learning from both successful and unsuccessful fraud detections. This continuous improvement reduces unnecessary alerts, ensuring that genuine customers aren't inconvenienced while still catching real threats. AI systems are designed to continuously learn and adapt. As new types of fraud emerge, AI models update themselves by incorporating fresh data and feedback. This ongoing learning process ensures that fraud detection systems remain effective, even as fraudsters develop new tactics. It's a never-ending battle, but AI gives organizations a significant advantage. Explainable AI is becoming increasingly important in fraud detection. Organizations need to understand why a transaction was flagged as suspicious, especially for regulatory and customer service reasons. Explainable AI provides clear, human-readable explanations for its decisions, making it easier to investigate and resolve cases of suspected fraud. While AI is powerful, human analysts still play a crucial role in fraud detection. AI systems can handle the heavy lifting by analyzing large datasets and flagging suspicious activities, but human experts are needed to investigate complex cases and make final decisions. This collaboration between AI and humans leads to more accurate and efficient fraud detection. AI systems can automatically generate alerts when suspicious activity is detected. These alerts can trigger immediate responses, such as blocking a transaction, locking an account, or notifying a human analyst. Automation speeds up the response time, reducing the window of opportunity for fraudsters and limiting potential losses. Mobile banking is increasingly popular, but it also presents new opportunities for fraud. AI systems monitor mobile transactions, device fingerprints, and app usage patterns to detect suspicious behavior. By securing mobile channels, banks can offer convenient services without compromising on security. Online shopping platforms are frequent targets for fraudsters. AI helps by analyzing shopping behaviors, payment methods, and delivery addresses. If a user suddenly changes their shipping address or uses an unusual payment method, the system can flag the transaction for review, helping to prevent fraudulent purchases. Cryptocurrency transactions are fast and often anonymous, making them attractive to fraudsters. AI systems monitor blockchain activity, transaction patterns, and wallet addresses to detect suspicious behavior. By analyzing these digital footprints, AI helps exchanges and users stay safe in the rapidly evolving world of digital currencies. Healthcare fraud can involve fake claims, identity theft, or billing for services not provided. AI analyzes patient records, billing data, and provider histories to spot inconsistencies. By catching fraudulent activities early, AI helps healthcare organizations reduce costs and ensure that resources go to genuine patients. Government agencies use AI to detect fraud in areas like tax filings, benefit claims, and procurement. By analyzing large datasets and cross-referencing information from multiple sources, AI can identify suspicious activities and prevent misuse of public funds. This helps governments operate more efficiently and maintain public trust. Retailers face challenges such as return fraud, coupon abuse, and fake loyalty accounts. AI systems monitor purchase histories, return patterns, and customer profiles to detect suspicious behavior. By automating these checks, Retailers can reduce losses and improve the shopping experience for honest customers. Travel and hospitality industries are vulnerable to booking fraud, fake reviews, and payment scams. AI analyzes booking patterns, customer feedback, and payment data to spot inconsistencies. This helps hotels, airlines, and travel agencies protect their businesses and provide a safer experience for customers. Educational institutions use AI to detect fraud in admissions, exams, and financial aid applications. By analyzing application data, test results, and payment records, AI can flag inconsistencies or suspicious patterns. This helps schools maintain the integrity of their processes and ensure fairness for all students. Logistics companies use AI to detect fraud in shipping, delivery, and inventory management. By monitoring shipment data, delivery routes, and inventory records, AI can identify discrepancies that may indicate theft or fraud. This ensures that goods reach their intended destinations safely and efficiently. Real estate fraud can involve fake listings, forged documents, or identity theft. AI analyzes property records, transaction histories, and user profiles to detect inconsistencies. By automating these checks, real estate companies can protect buyers, sellers, and agents from falling victim to scams. The entertainment industry faces challenges such as ticket scalping, fake streaming accounts, and copyright infringement. AI systems monitor ticket sales, user activity, and content distribution to detect and prevent fraudulent activities. This helps protect artists, producers, and fans alike. Social media platforms use AI to detect fake accounts, spam, and misinformation. By analyzing user behavior, content patterns, and network connections, AI can flag suspicious profiles and activities. This helps maintain the integrity of online communities and protects users from scams and abuse. Manufacturers use AI to detect fraud in supply chains, quality control, and procurement. By monitoring supplier data, production records, and shipment logs, AI can identify irregularities that may indicate fraud or counterfeiting. This helps manufacturers maintain product quality and protect their brand reputation. The energy sector faces risks such as meter tampering, billing fraud, and unauthorized access. AI analyzes consumption patterns, billing data, and device information to detect anomalies. By catching fraudulent activities early, energy companies can reduce losses and ensure reliable service for customers. Despite its many advantages, AI-based fraud detection faces challenges. These include data privacy concerns, the need for high-quality data, and the risk of adversarial attacks where fraudsters try to trick AI systems. Organizations must invest in robust data security and continuous model improvement to stay ahead of evolving threats. The future of AI in fraud detection looks promising. Advances in machine learning, deep learning, and explainable AI will make systems even more accurate and transparent. As fraudsters develop new tactics, AI will continue to evolve, providing organizations with the tools they need to protect themselves and their customers. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has transformed the fight against fraud. By leveraging advanced analytics, machine learning, and real-time monitoring, AI enables organizations to detect and prevent fraudulent activities more effectively than ever before. As technology continues to advance, AI will remain a critical tool in safeguarding businesses and individuals from the ever-evolving threat of fraud.